I made a short video on how to withdraw money from Binance, and I was getting comments from people asking me where can I find the address, where is the address, and how to get the address. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your wallet address in Binance. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started.
Log into your Binance account. At the bottom right corner of your screen, tap on Assets and then tap on Deposit. Here you have to choose the crypto that you want to deposit. So in this video, I'll be choosing USDT. I'll tap on it and I'll be asked to choose network. So all this network has their fees and limit. So I'll be choosing this first one, which is Tron TRC20. So I'll choose this and here is my address. So if I tap on this icon here, the address has been copied. As you can see, wallet address copied. And this QR code here is also my address.
And that is all on how to find your wallet address in Binance. And if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this, and I will see you in the next video.